In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a landing page in Wix. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a dedicated page you can use for promotions, signups, or any specific campaign, all inside the Wix editor. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you've opened the site you want to work on in the Wix editor. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar. In that toolbar, find the icon labeled Pages and Menu. Go ahead and click on that. This panel is where you manage all of the pages on your site, and it's the starting point for creating any new page, including a landing page. When the Pages panel opens, you'll see a list of your existing pages. At the bottom or top of that panel, you'll find a button that says Add Page. Click on Add Page. This tells Wix you want to create a brand new page that you can fully customize. After clicking Add Page, Wix will show you different types of pages you can create. Here, look specifically for the option called Landing Page. Click on Landing Page. Choosing this option is important because landing pages are designed to be focused and distraction-free, usually with one main goal like capturing leads or driving a single call to action. Next, Wix will display a selection of landing page templates. At this point, you can select a template if you want to use a pre-designed layout. Take a moment to scroll through the templates and choose one that best fits your purpose, whether it's collecting email signups, showcasing a product, or promoting an event. Using a template can save you a lot of time because the structure, sections, and basic design are already in place. You'll still be able to customize everything later, including images, text, and colors. Once you've decided on a template, select it and then look for the button that says Add